Hello dear students, here it is our important 3 mark question, very important because this is one of the previous year's board question. So follow carefully. The question goes like this. The angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 1500 upon square root 3 meters, then find the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. It was observed that the angle of elevation from a point A initially it was 60 degrees and after 15 seconds of travel, the angle of elevation changes 30 degrees. This is the given information. From this we need to find speed of the plane in kilometers. Okay. So for that, let us try to interpret this information in a rough diagram and for more readability. So horizontal ground, this is point of observation A. From here, a plane is traveling with constant height. So let us assume initially the plane is here at point P, and after 15 seconds of time, so after 15 seconds of travel, so it reaches to Q. Okay, the flight reaches to Q. Now we need to find speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. So we need to find the distance traveled from P to Q. So how much speed it has traveled in these 15 seconds we need to find. So let us assume this is X and this is Y, and it is given it is flying with a constant height, that is 1500 upon square root 3. So 1500 upon square root 3 meters. Since this is also same. So since Ex is equals to Qy, so the height is 1500 upon square root 3 meters. Now initially an aeroplane is observed from point A with angle of elevation that is 60 degrees. Initially it was observed with angle of elevation 60 degrees, and after 15 seconds of travel, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. Okay, this is the given information. From this information, we need to find the speed of the plane. For that, we need to find the distance traveled. Got it? So let us find distance traveled by using, we have two right angle triangles here. By using these two right angle triangles, we will find the distance traveled from X to Y. So once we get it, we will get the speed. So for that, what we will do, we will consider triangle AXP. From that, we will find AX length. Now afterwards, we will consider AYQ and we will find the length of AY. So if you subtract AX from AY length, we will get XY. Okay, so we'll do that. Consider right angled triangle AXP. So from this we have perpendicular height and we need to find the base. And here the angle is, initially it was 60 degrees and afterwards this becomes 30 degrees. So we have angle. So we have opposite side to theta and we need to find adjacent side to theta length. So the relation between opposite side and adjacent side to theta is tan theta. So tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. In other words, you can say perpendicular upon base from this triangle. This opposite side is px and adjacent side is ax. Here the theta we have 60 degrees. Now we will substitute. Tan 60 degrees is equals to px. Px is how much? 1500 upon square root 3 upon ax. And tan 60 value, this is square root 3 is equals to 1500 upon square root 3 upon ax. Here ax is dividing. If it goes other side, multiplies. Ax into square root 3 is equals to 1500 upon square root 3. Here square root 3 is multiplying. If it comes here, divides, that is square root 3. Then this becomes 1500 upon square root 3 into square root 3 becomes 3. Since square root 3 is nothing but 3 to the power of 1 upon 2. Again square root 3 is nothing but 3 to the power of 1 upon 2. A to the power of m into a to the power of n, then a to the power of m plus n. That is 3 to the power of half plus half becomes 1. That is 3. Now 3 ones are 3, 500s are. Okay. Therefore, ax is equals to 500 meters. Let us take, this is number 1. Now, we will consider triangle AYQ. Consider right angle triangle AYQ. From right angle triangle AYQ. So, again we have perpendicular upon base by using tan theta. Theta is 30 degrees. Perpendicular we have 1500 upon square root 3. So tan theta is equals to qy upon ay, and tan theta is 30 degrees is equals to qy is 1500 upon square root 3 and ay. And we know that tan 30 degrees value, that is 1 upon square root 3 is equals to 1500 upon square root 3 upon ay. So here what we'll do is we'll cross multiply ay into 1, this becomes ay. Here we have 1500 upon square root 3. Here this 3 is dividing, if it comes here multiplies, square root 3 upon 1 you can write. Again square root 3 gets cancelled one time. Then we have ay is equals to 1500 meters. Let us take this is equation number 2. Now by using 1 and 2 we will get xy length. Now xy length is equals to ay length minus ax length. Ax length from 1 and 2, xy length is equals to ay we got 1500 meters and ax we have 500, and this becomes 1000 meters. So xy is equals to 1000 meters. Since we know speed is equals to distance upon time. Since speed is equals to distance upon time, then distance we got 1000 and speed, time we have 15. So on dividing, 5 3s are 5 200s are. So we have 200 upon 3 meter per second. So therefore speed we got 200 upon 3 meter per second. But actually in the question it has asked speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. Now we need to convert the speed meter per second into kilometer per hour. Since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters and 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. To convert this speed 200 upon 3 meter per second into kilometer per hours, therefore speed in kilometer per hour is equals to 200 upon 3 into, we have to multiply with 3600 upon 1000. 3600 upon 1000. So we will get kilometer per hour. Simplify further. Here we can cancel these two zeros. Again 0 0 we can cancel. 3 1s are 3, 12s are. Then we have here 20 into 12, that is 2 12s are 24, 240 kilometer per hour. Therefore required speed of plane is equals to 240 kilometer per hour. So let's look at once again briefly. Here it is given a flight is traveling with a constant height, that is 1500 upon square root 3 meter per second, and it has traveled 15 seconds. From a point of observation A, initially it has seen with the angle of elevation 60 degrees. After 15 seconds of travel, it has seen 30 degrees angle of elevation. So this is the given information, and from this we need to find speed of the plane in kilometer per hour. So for that we need to find distance traveled in this 15 seconds. So by using here you can see two triangles AXP and AYQ. By using these two triangles, so initially we found AX length, then we found AY length, then for XY length we have subtracted XY AX from AY. So we got XY length. So by using a speed formula, that is distance upon time, since it is traveled 15 seconds, the distance we got 1000 meters. So this we got 1000 meters. So speed is equals to distance upon time. So by using that we got speed and we converted into kilometer per hour. Finally we got the required speed of the plane, that is 240 kilometer per hour. This is it.